Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 4th of January 2023. Here we are again to discuss on the post-market reports on Nifty January future and Bank Nifty January future. So whatever has happened today in the market, this video commentary is purely based on my point of view and all the content is only for the educational purpose. Right, so now let us get started with the post market reports and let's see how the market has performed in a daily time frame. So the previous close here is at 18,317, open is at 18,299, low is at 18,083, high is at 18,303. All right, so now coming on a nifty chart, we will shift to the 3 minutes time frame and then see how the market has performed. So the market opened slightly gap down, not too much. After the gap down happened, the market went down till the day's low at which was approximately 9:18, and that is also when we booked our position, and we have booked 700. We did not expect much, but by the end of the day, if we could have stayed, we could have got 5,000 extra profit, but we could not. So no hard feelings for losing this chance, but whatever we have got with one lot, we are happy with that, and we just traded with one lot. And you can see 919, only one order is there, and that's also a sell order, and we have executed exited our trade, and then that's all for the day. Then the market went up until the day's high was created at 18,302 to create a day's high and take a support. Could not cover the gap over here. After creating it started to go down. After going down, it went up until support number 1, which was 18,238, and then after going straight, it could not control itself. It did try to come up, it continued the downfall, and then the market went down till 18,167, and then from there rotation slightly went up to even more go down. This is just a support in case it has to fall more, and then from here the market went down until here till the low, and then after going to the lows, and then it went down till 18,187. After going down till 87, the market started to go again to the bottom and created the day's low, the new highest, which was 18,085, while the Nifty Jan future has managed to close at 18,102. All right, so now let us move to the Bank Nifty January future. The previous closing has happened at approximately 43,609, and open there here is at 43,595, high is at 43,710, low is at 43,031. So this is the range that we are going to see, and then how it is happening, and after that we will see on chart. We'll move to the chart and then see how the market has performed for the day. And let us move to the chart and shift our timings to 3 minutes and then see how the market has been moving for the day. So even the Bank Nifty was a flat opening, not much. I'll see the open is at 595, closing at like 609. So it's like just 10 points opening, and the gap between the points were there. And after opening, the market started straight to the fall. No bullshitting. The market started to go down, support number 1, support number 2, support number 3, everything was broken in less than approximately 2 hours, and then it continued even more fall. After the fall started to begin at 43,060, the market started to bounce back up again at approximately this level, which was at 43,360. And after the market came up until 360, it started to go down up again below the day's low, and which was created at 11 o'clock. It created a new low at approximately 3 o'clock at 43,035, while staying in the range, and 43,050 was the closing of the Bank Nifty January future. What I can expect tomorrow is, if we look at the chart and then the how the market has been performing on a 15-minute time frame, we can expect a setback. We can expect this level to take a support, okay, a strong support, and then the market to bounce back. That's what is I am expecting. The reason why I find here over is, I'll just draw a quick trend line for you. So it has created a lower highs, okay, it has created a lower highs. This is where it has touched its lower highs and it has bounced back. The next target what I can expect on the top side of approximately a week would be 18,400 ish level. We can expect it to come happen. So let us see. The stop loss for this would be 17,900 and at to this level, which is a lot, but it is what it is. We have to bear the loss. I mean, we have to take the loss in order to be able to reach this target if we are able to catch it. And then after that, yeah, so that there is a lot of upside movement is yet to come. We can expect 18,500 as well before the next 1 week or maybe 2 weeks, but let's see however it takes. If not, if it breaks down below 17,900, we are going to see 17,500 coming soon. So let us see how the market will be. All right, so thank you so much everyone for staying up until here. I'll see you in the next video.